Shining light through curtain shines. Robot voice reads the morning news. Pixel hearts in coffee lines. Living life without the clues. Neon nights and buzzing minds. Scrolling endless feeds we lose. Firmware updates we don't mind. In a world of ones and twos. Lost in code, our hearts are trapped. Digital daydreams overlap. Silicon love so tightly wrapped in circuits where our minds take us. Floating in electric streams, you and I encoded dreams. Bite by bite we chase the gleam of a world that's stitched with beams. Binary love on broken screens. Emojis fly like shooting stars. In this world of distant means, we still connect despite the bars. Lost in code, our hearts are trapped. Digital daydreams overlap. Silicon love so tightly wrapped in circuits where our minds take us. Lost in code, our hearts are trapped. Digital daydreams overlap. Silicon love so tightly wrapped in circuits where our minds take us. Stumble through the alley in midnight. Shattered dreams on broken glass. Neon lights flicker in their last fight. Whispers haunt me from the past. Shadows chase me, minds a twisted maze. Voices scream but no one grieves. Empty bottles, empty promises. Living on the edge of broken dreams. Echoes in the dark, I hear them call. Lost souls screaming in the night. Running from the pain, we stumble, fall. In the shadows we ignite. Fists clenched tight against the world. Streetlight halos, warriors born. Written, climbing ever in their last fight. Fighting battles weather worn. Silhouettes behind the curtain. Bleeding wounds we can't disguise. In this chaos only